Hello traders, and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, September 5th, 2023. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. What do we have here? Is a typical chart with the Japanese candlesticks and the 100 and 200 periods moving averages. As you can see on this chart, which goes back to the December 2022 to the lows, roughly around the level of 15,655, we got this very nice uptrend. This uptrend went as high as to 31,573, and since then we are doing the correction. We are doing the corrective cycle. So let me just take a look on how much was the price range during the last correction. This one looks pretty solid, and the price range was minus 19.5%. The other one, which looks big to me, was roughly around minus 22%. Now, what's the newest one already with the actual data? So with the actual data and with this low, we got minus 19.32%. So it looks like pretty much those two are the same. And this one is even bigger, minus 22%. So we cannot say that this one is the overbalance, all right? So it's still, we still can treat this correction as a part of the uptrend. All right, so that's the first conclusion. Very brief conclusion. So let's just leave this one. We don't need it. We don't need to use it now. What else do we see here, which is a little bit more concerning, is that very nice spike to the upside was completely retraced in 2 days. All right, so we spiked towards the level of technical resistance, which is located at 28,800, but we never touch it, and the spike high was located at 28,014. So it's kind of in the middle of the range between 100 periods moving average and 200 periods moving average. All right, now we reversed, and now it looks like there is still a bearish pressure on the market. So if we break below 25,466, the next target for bears is the swing low located here. So that's the level of 24,900. Okay, this is the next target. However, we can still apply some kind of Fibonacci retracement levels, right, to see how low this downside movement can go. So if we take the whole swing up, now all we have to do is to basically calibrate our Fibonacci, because this one is not quite readable eventually. So right now, let's say we will go to the right side to see all of this prices, and there you go. This is what I mean. We already hit 38% of the Fibonacci retracement, so we got this nice bounce from there, but it looks like this level might be violated soon. So then there is a technical target, 24,900. If this technical target is violated, then the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement might be hit, 23,575, or even 61% of the Fibonacci retracement might be hit as well, 21,692. Please notice the fact that we are dealing with the period of almost 1 year. This is like a 10-month of the upward movement, okay? Which is why this correction might be that deep, all right? We don't know yet which level will be hit and which level will be tested, so then the bulls can reverse and move to the upside, because that movement here, you can see from the lows to the highs, is the directional movement, impulsive movement, and we are now correcting this impulsive movement, right? So we still expect the market to reverse, terminate the correction, reverse, and continue to the upside, right? Only a kind of a strong sustained breakout below this low The low from the March 2023, located at 19,635, would change the outlook in the long term, like a yearly outlook, to bearish, basically. Okay, so as long as we trade above this low, the outlook remains bullish, with a potential targets for the Bitcoin at the one of the technical targets, so the technical support, or this one or any other one that you can find here, or one of the Fibonacci retracement levels. Nevertheless, it doesn't look bullish yet. The Bitcoin on the with Tether doesn't look bullish yet. Doesn't look like the bulls want to terminate this trend here and then reverse to the upside. The market is still under the bearish pressure, and we might see lower prices soon. Once the corrective cycle is completed, then the market should reverse and resume this uptrend seen here from the lows of the 2022. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.